Kind of an awkward position. I picked this switch up at the public market, and it's all assembled, it's all ready to go. I've actually added wire to it. But what's neat about it is it could fit up here. Not today, but future projects it could fit. What I've decided to do is I'm going to mount it remotely on the back side of this bracket as a hidden switch, because I don't need to turn it off and on very often. It's mostly going to be just for the car and motor show type stuff, just for LED lights, for effect lights. So I'm going to hide it in here and then just keep it for a rainy day or for a car show. It tucks up nicely, and like I said, it's for fun. So I'm just doing a little inline testing. I rigged up a little test light, and it's working good. So it's a good solid connection. Doesn't really show. And to save time, I just simply cut one of these little blue loops just to open up the circuit, and then this wire right here goes down to the switch and back up and completes the loop. And then these other three sockets are open, are live, and the black ones are all live. So that's the story.